nakatanggap ako ng award from the National Statistics Month Media Awards. Annual award siya na binibigay ng Philippine Statistics Authority para sa tamang paggamit ng mga statistics sa mga news report. Natutuwa ako na nanalo siya ng award because it's not about winning the award but it's a testament doon sa type of story that we produce sa GMA Integrated News. Something that really touched lives and sana may natutunan yung mga viewers because of that story na ginawa namin with teenage pregnancy. Actually, mahirap yung pagbuo ng isang story coming from statistics kasi first and foremost, ma-overload ka with numbers. While I was digesting the story, na-catch yung attention ko nung sinabi na merong 8-year-old na nabuntis. Sabi ko, how can an 8-year-old be pregnant? Someone so young, di ba? But then, it's supported by statistics and then later on, nakita ko na from 2013, nagdoble yung number ng mga nabubuntis na teenagers, 14 years old and below, in a span of 10 years. So sabi ko, this story should be aired because this will help our viewers. Lalo na ngayon, di ba, maraming mga kabataan na nakatutok sa social media. Kapag ganito, alam ko, maraming pwedeng matutunan and even their parents na makakapanood nito. Pero ang challenge kasi doon, when you're working with numbers, is paano mo malalaman sa dami ng numbers na dumating na to, alin ba dito would make sense? And the second thing that's really challenging is how to put a face on that number. For me ang isang story, if it has numbers, it adds more credibility, it has more impact on sa viewers.